So the past couple of days I've been kind of playing around with my tie rods, kind of trying to get my steering readjusted and my front end kind of aligned a little bit better than it is, because I don't want to take it in to get an actual proper alignment until I have all my parts put on. I've still got a Pitman arm to put on, and I think I'm gonna have to do something with my steering linkages or something, because I've noticed that everything, like the steering wheel, is awful wobbly. And I don't know if it's a normal thing for a lifted pickup or not, but I could be standing, or like not standing, but driving, and stick my head out the window and watch my front tire, and it'll just wobble. Like, it looks like it's just like moving up, you know, in and out, like as far as the steering portion goes. So something else I got to look into. What else do we got going on here? Probably need to replace my cab mounts and my leaf spring bushings. Eventually I'm going to get some rough country extended control arms, so the ride will be a lot better hopefully after that. Still have yet to get an LED light for my roll pan or my tail lights replaced, which I don't know. I was kind of considering maybe getting some tint, having somebody tint them and just putting LED bulbs in them, but from what I've heard, the stock tail lights are not easy to put LED bulbs in, so I don't know. Gonna be moving here in a week, so I'm gonna have my own garage. So this thing, she'll have a garage to sit in instead of having to sit outside all the time. It'll be nice. First time in years for this thing to actually have somewhere to sit. So I'll be able to keep her clean and be able to do some updates and do some more stuff and some better quality videos without being out in the middle of a parking lot. So I'm definitely waiting for that. It's gonna be awesome. Basically that's about it. Haven't made much money selling cars, so no new tires at the moment, but definitely gonna have some of that. Oh, and another question is, maybe it'll do it. Let me get in here. I'm kind of hoping it'll make this noise, because it's been doing it, and every time I put it in reverse and just roll backwards, it makes this noise, and for the life of me I can't figure out what it is. It drives me nuts because it is really loud. This thing has developed more pops and cracks and stuff, you know, than I've ever seen it. So put it in reverse. First off, putting it in reverse is just really loud in the first place. I don't know if you heard that, but just a lot of popping, and like it sounds like unwinding of gears and popping, and just it doesn't sound right. It's something that it just recently started doing, probably a couple of weeks ago, and I don't know what it is. Like, I'll look up under the truck, I can't find anything that looks odd. You know, I don't know if it's a CV axle maybe, or usually they pop when you turn, or what it is that does that, but it started doing that when I go forward now. Like, if the truck's been setting for a couple hours and it kind of cools off, I don't know what that is. So if anybody has any ideas, that would be great. It'd be really helpful, because I would really love to figure out that problem and get a lot of these pops and squeaks and stuff that this truck has. And I know it's a 20-year-old truck, but there's got to be a way to fix that stuff. It's just annoying. I don't like it. Nobody likes it. I don't like people having to listen to it when you see a decent looking truck rolling down the road and you hear all those noises. But anybody has any ideas, please comment below. Other than that, nothing new going on. So as always, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing and following my Instagram and my Facebook and all that good stuff, and all the tow mirror orders. I also appreciate that. I'm still rather behind on those, so I'm going to be catching up on that. So we will see y'all next time. Thanks a lot.